Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play as a Paris Saint-Germain FC in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the Legend Club's part 3 or the week 3 of the Legend Clubs in UCL live events. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, and tap UEFA Champions League. This is a live event, so there are 4 features here. The main feature, group stage, inform focus, and the last one is Legend Club. So the first week you play as Real Madrid, the second week you play as Manchester City, and the third week you play as a Paris Saint-Germain. So this is the journey of a Paris Saint-Germain as a Legends Club, and also you can get this player if you doing this, unlocking or purchasing in the free bronze store. So they are possible for you. This is you can get this possible reward: Ginola, Ronaldinho, JJ Okocha, and Ludovic Gili. So this is the legend from Paris Saint-Germain. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.